Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make... Ano ba yan? Manok? Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to make DIY hand towel, kitchen towel, hanging towel, or ref towel, whatever you call it, using your old bath towel. So if may mga towel or tuwalya kayo dyan sa bahay nyo, na may mga butas na pinasukan ng daga. At ang sabi ng daga, bulaga. So yeah, if may mga towel or tuwalya nga kayo dyan sa bahay nyo na may butas na, marami ng butas, or may parts na siya na maninipis, yung parang natastas na, then you can use that to make your own DIY hand towel, kitchen towel, hanging towel, or ref towel. You can make as many as you can, as long as you want, and as long as may towel kayo na may butas. And especially if you don't have that much amount of kitchen towels in your home. Since we all know that kitchen towels get dirty easily, we must change them at least once a week, or if possible, every 2 to 3 days. Yeah, ang dami ko na namang sinasabi. So, without further ado, let's do it! At habang wala pang manok na tumitilaok. First, we will need a towel, fabrics, and buttons. Then, from the towel, we will cut a 12 inches square. Then, we will join the 3 strips of fabric, which will serve as the outer lining of the towel. Then we will now attach the fabric at the sides of the towel. You can iron it first or use sewing pins to hold the fabric and towel in place. But since I don't have sewing pins in here and our ironing board is outside my room, it would be a hassle for me to ruin my setup here to set up there and go back here again. So I'll just believe that I can do this without doing those things. Pasensya ka na at kaya ko nang mag-isa. You will need to sew the fabric all the way to the end, as it will serve as the lock together with the button to attach the hand towel to your ref handle. After that, we will sew the two sides of the towel, and it will be the rear side of your kitchen towel. First, we will sew the edges of the towel and the fabric to make the bunny ears. Then embroider the towel with the bunny's face. And after that, overlap one of the lower edge of the bunny ear to another. Before sewing, we will put the part with the bunny's face on the inside, ears upside down, and on top of that, the rear side of the face. Then sew the edges. Then flip it over and fill the inside with small pieces of towel or fabric. That's all for today. Shout out to Lea de los Reyes, Casey Duldulaw, Ate Jana Borja, Christine Manaog, and Yuri Angeles. Thanks for watching and see you on my next vlog.